Hello everyone, and welcome to our lesson on household items. So let's get started. Let's start with the living room, the heart of our homes where we relax and entertain guests. Here are some common items you might find in a living room. Sofa. Sofa. A comfortable seat for multiple people. The family sat on the sofa to watch TV. Coffee table. Coffee table. A low table placed in front of a sofa. She placed her cup of tea on the coffee table. Television. Television. An electronic device for watching programs. They watched a movie on the television. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. A piece of furniture with shelves for storing books. She arranged her books neatly on the bookshelf. Rug. Rug. A piece of thick fabric for covering part of a floor. There is a colorful rug in the middle of the living room. Moving on to the kitchen, the place where we prepare and enjoy our meals. Here are some essential kitchen items. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. An appliance for keeping food and drinks cold. She put the milk in the refrigerator. Oven. Oven. A device for baking or roasting food. He baked a cake in the oven. Microwave. Microwave. An appliance for heating food quickly. She heated her lunch in the microwave. Stove. Stove. An appliance for cooking food. He cooked pasta on the stove. Sink. Sink. A basin with a faucet for washing dishes. She washed the vegetables in the sink. Next, let's visit the bedroom, our personal space for rest and relaxation. Here are some common bedroom items. Bed. Bed. A piece of furniture for sleeping on. He went to bed early last night. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. A tall cupboard for storing clothes. She hung her dresses in the wardrobe. Lamp. Lamp. A device that produces light. He turned on the lamp to read. Dresser. Dresser. A piece of furniture with drawers for storing clothes. She kept her clothes in the dresser. Nightstand. Nightstand. A small table beside a bed. He placed a lamp on the nightstand. Now, let's talk about the bathroom, where we take care of our personal hygiene. Here are some key items found in a bathroom. Toilet. Toilet. A fixture for disposing of bodily waste. She cleaned the toilet. Shower. Shower. A place to stand under a spray of water to wash. He took a shower after his workout. Bathtub. Bathtub. A large container for bathing. She took a bath in the bathtub. Towel rack. Towel rack. A bar or frame for hanging towels. He hung the towel on the towel rack. The dining room is where we gather to enjoy our meals together. Let's look at some common items found in this room. Dining table. Dining table. A table where meals are eaten. They gathered around the dining table for dinner. Chair. Chair. A seat for one person with a back. He pulled out a chair and sat down. Cutlery. Cutlery. Utensils such as knives, forks, and spoons. She set the table with cutlery. Buffet. Buffet. A sideboard for storing dishes and serving food. The dishes were displayed on the buffet. Chandelier. Chandelier. A decorative hanging light with branches for bulbs or candles. A beautiful chandelier hangs over the dining table. Finally, let's visit the laundry room, where we take care of our clothes. Here are some important items found in this room. Washing machine. Washing machine. A machine for washing clothes. She put the dirty clothes in the washing machine. Iron. Iron. A device for smoothing clothes. She ironed her shirt. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. A container for holding dirty clothes. She placed the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Drying rack. Drying rack. A frame for hanging clothes to dry. He used the drying rack for the wet clothes. Thank you for joining me in this lesson on household items. See you in the next lesson.